What up, guys?
Y'all go follow, subscribe, Southern Gentleman Experience. We're from South Louisiana. We got hunting, we got frogging, we got fishing, we got offshore fishing, we got everything, man.
We got everything, guys.
Cooking, but check it out.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have another video coming to you, and today I brought my boat. I can get my trolling motor replaced. I have a motor guide currently on there, but I'm gonna put a Minn Kota on there. Good morning, Mr. Mike. Hey, I know you enjoy being on YouTube. Say hello to the YouTube people.
What's up?
What are you doing, sir? Good morning.
You doing YouTube?
Doing YouTube.
You doing YouTube?
Oh yeah? You want to be on YouTube? Say hello.
Hello. There we go.
So we just took motor guide off the bracket, guys, right here. It took us a little while, right, Mr. Mike? But we didn't want to film that for you guys, but now we got that sorted. They're gonna replace all the wiring.
Right here. But you know you're gonna have to get a transducer for your lamps.
Yeah, that's what the other gentleman was saying. You might have to strap one on there or something like that.
Yeah. You're gonna have to find you a
So now that we got everything off, or dismounted, right?
Yeah, we gotta get, he's gonna come in here, we're gonna disconnect this off of this, pull this off.
Drill some holes, because that ain't gonna fit that Minn Kota. And you were saying I need a transducer down here?
Yeah, we're gonna have to get a transducer to go on the bottom of your
The depth finder.
depth finder. I'm gonna probably run down. I'm gonna get him.
Mr. Mike taking a little road trip.
Road trip. May not be back though.
I hope so. I want my boat. What are we gonna go get?
We'll go get a puck for your trolling motor, so we can get you out there on the water.
There we go.
They work on Lowrance and opposite of what we work on, motor guide.
I work on most of this stuff. Morning. Going in here in
Mid-Lake Marine.
Mid-Lake Marine. Good morning. Good, good.
Pretty good. Hey Don, can I show him your desk? Absolutely. Come check this out.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. Exclusive. We're here in Mid-Lake Marine, and this is most of the fish for
His dad.
his dad. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at this fatty right here. That's a big one, guys. That's a big one. They're all big right here. They're all big. That's
a 1-day catch.
What? 1 day catch right here?
Right there. 56 pounds.
Where did he catch
Here
it?
on Toledo Bend.
In Toledo Bend.
And 72.
Wow. Guys, it's just, man, this is my dream, but not so many, but when will I catch my first 10-pounder? I don't know, but you guys gonna be there when I do it, because you know you guys gonna see everything.
I up all night and they come up.
So you caught 3 over 10-pounder at night?
Yep.
Wow.
I can't catch one in the daytime.
Oh really? I see him. I can't catch one either. My papa, he catch him. He had won a bunch of bass tournaments. So that's my dream.
But that you.
All right, guys, we're here. We're gonna get the part that we need for my boat, so we can get on the water as soon as possible. That gentleman right over there is taking care of us.
Whatever you need, man. Help yourself, man.
Sir, you want to introduce yourself? What's your name?
Don Gote.
And where you
Like
at?
Marine Service.
All right, guys, you hear that? So check them out. They do good here, guys. My buddy Mike here is, you know, taking care of us.
And it's
Okay.
a whole lot less. It's a whole lot less easy to knock off.
Okay.
You follow me?
I follow.
Where that one, knock it off pretty easy.
Alrighty.
All right, guys, we're heading back to the shop. Get our trolling motor in the right spot. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. That Bible app is, you know, I listen to it. I read it before I get on the road. Most days, I won't say every day, but
I just have trouble reading and understanding it.
yes, sir.
But
When you
talks,
listen to it,
yeah, I can understand it more.
yeah, I can relate. I can relate. Sometimes it's really complicated.
I ain't no Swifty reader.
Oh yeah.
I always work construction.
Yes, sir. But hey,
It's been on I got my A's in hall walking.
yes, sir. But thank God for technology, right? So
Yeah.
now you can listen and understand.
Yep.
So. You're getting it done. Oh, what? You got some, man, that's some big crappies. That's a bass there? No, that's some big crappie.
My dad told me I couldn't go.
Oh, man.
He said, there's too many diseases and things would eat you. See, this was made for isolators. Let me see how we do them now. The isolators, they're a round rubber thing that fits in there and it swells up. And if I can put a bolt behind them and a washer, I'll put them in there, but I don't know.
You gotta just fit down on you first.
Yeah. So let's, that's dog driving.
Sol y arena, oh so bright. Baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire, burning high, feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila, baila,
What are you taking out the competition?
shake your body,
What are you
shine like
taking out the
stars.
competition?
Baila, en el mar, keep it going, no queda igual.
Just clean down the surface.
Luna llena, shining down,
Yeah, so everything.
pies descalzos,
You guys do.
latido fuerte,
I did y'all.
take me higher, feel the sound. Ooh, yeah. Break it down, feel the sweat, cerca de mí, don't run away. Tempo, let's ignite, dance with me through the night. Sin parar, shake
What's wrong with you? First, idiot. Seven? I think it's almost four. Almost.
You want to get a plastic piece?
Yeah, that's all that another truck.
dance with me through the night. Baila, sin
Here
parar,
comes the expert. Look at
shake
him.
your body,
Yeah, figure
shine
it out.
like stars. Baila,
Think you'll get enough?
en el mar, keep it going.
You don't have the little piece to go here.
No, I don't got it. Not right. I'm here right now.
It's you know. Cut it.
Mr. Mike, what is this?
I'm just putting it on there so it look a little better.
Okay, okay. So for aesthetical reason.
Yeah,
Okay.
for you.
For me, I appreciate that.
I'm gonna pull it back some.
And make sure it don't cover this.
I'm gonna cut all that off.
Oh, you're gonna put it out.
Right.
fingers?
No. We're YouTubing right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the owner, Al.
Oh yeah. Nice
How
to
you
meet you,
doing? Al
sir.
Druid. Pleased to meet you.
Harris. Pleased to meet you. You don't mind me, huh? YouTubing.
No, go right
Say
ahead.
hello to it.
Okay. Ah, all right. You
Yeah.
making the imprint where your shoulder motor's gonna sit on it? Okay.
We got so many holes here.
Dressing it up a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
That'd be good for the television show, you know. we might have to quit and go to Hollywood after this.
Hollywood, that's right. Hollywood. We'll stop calling you California Mike, we'll call you Hollywood,
Hollywood Mike. Hey, that looks nice, huh?
Kind of wanted more. Well, let's put that mount on. Yeah, that looks a lot better than showing a bunch of holes.
Okay, it's hanging over where we need it.
About right. Go that way a little more.
Huh? More?
As far as we can go.
So right there.
Yeah, that covers up a lot of the holes. Those and these holes right here.
Four.
That will cover up all your holes.
Alright.
More in it. Something if I get to the front.
How far you can get up. Go about here.
Probably get that one. Oh, right there close to it. Something like that over here. Try that. One front.
Okay. 5 of them be plenty.
Because I'm not going to be able to get that over for sure. All right.
Yeah, that's as close far as over there we can go.
Yeah, that looks.
Because we'll be hitting this.
Yeah, I don't want to hit that.
That's for sure.
Okay, let me get it. I gotta get a bolt and another handbrake.
Dance with me through the night. Shake your body, shine like stars. En el mar, keep it going, no queda igual.
You need an extension? I got one on the side of my box.
ready to go on the water.
All right, guys, like, share, comment, leave us subscribe. All right.
Got any problems with the boat? Come on down to the fiberglass.
Nice job. Thank you, Mr. Carr.